What if I told you that garden could have cost you under $500? Every path, every bench, every pot you're about to see, none of it is expensive, it's just styled right. Stick around, because these 9 French cottage projects will completely change how you look at your backyard budget. Project 1. The gravel path border. Nothing says French countryside like a soft gravel path winding through billowing flower beds. For under $100, you can lay a simple crushed gravel or pea gravel path using landscape fabric underneath to keep weeds out and edging to keep the stones contained. Choose a warm honey-toned gravel rather than stark white or gray, since it reads as far more European and worn in. Let the plants on either side spill slightly over the edges instead of trimming them back hard. This soft, imperfect border is exactly what gives cottage paths their expensive, established feel, even when the path itself is brand new. Project 2. A cluster of terracotta pots. Instead of one large, pricey planter, buy several small and medium terracotta pots in mismatched but harmonious sizes, which usually run $5 to $15 each. Group them in odd numbers near a doorway or along a path for that layered, collected over years look French gardens are known for. Fill them with a mix of trailing plants like ivy or nasturtium alongside upright herbs such as rosemary or lavender. The natural terracotta color weathers beautifully over time, developing a soft patina that looks intentional rather than neglected. For under $150 total including soil and plants, this single project can transform an entryway instantly. Project 3. A simple wooden arbor. A rustic wooden arbor framing your entrance or garden gate instantly adds that fairy tale cottage silhouette. Basic cedar or pressure-treated arbor kits can be found for $150 to $250. And installation is straightforward with just a few hours and a couple of concrete bags for the posts. Skip anything ornate or metal since simple, slightly weathered wood reads as far more authentic. Plant a climbing rose or clematis at the base and let it grow up and over the structure across the season. Within a year or two, the arbor practically disappears under blooms, giving you that iconic, storybook entrance for a fraction of a custom-built version. Project 4. A cutting garden corner. Dedicate one small corner of your yard, even just a 4 by 6 foot patch, to a dense cutting garden of cottage classics like cosmos, zinnias, sweet peas, and foxglove. Seeds and starter plants for a patch this size typically run $40 to $70, making it one of the cheapest projects on this list. The trick to that lush, overflowing look is planting tightly, closer than the seed packet suggests, so the stems support each other and no soil is visible underneath. This corner not only looks beautiful, it gives you a constant supply of fresh-cut flowers for your kitchen table, which is exactly the kind of small luxury French cottage gardens are built around. Project 5. Repurposed vintage containers. Skip new planters entirely and source vintage-style containers instead. Things like old watering cans, enamel buckets, or wire baskets, which you can often find at thrift stores or flea markets for $5 to $20 each. Drill a few drainage holes in the bottom and use them just like regular pots for herbs or trailing annuals. The slightly worn, mismatched charm of these containers is nearly impossible to fake with anything bought new, which is exactly why they're a designer secret for that lived-in French look. Scatter 3 or 4 of these around your garden beds or steps for a collected, storied feel that costs next to nothing. Project 6. A lavender border. A tidy row of lavender along a walkway or bed edge is one of the most recognizable French garden signatures there is. 12 small lavender plants typically cost $60 to $100 total, and lavender is drought-tolerant once established, meaning low ongoing cost too. Space the plants evenly and let them mound together as they mature, creating that soft, silvery purple hedge look seen throughout Provence. Beyond the visual impact, the fragrance alone makes this border feel like a luxury addition every time you brush past it. This is one of the highest impact, lowest effort projects on the entire list. Project 7. A rustic trellis wall. Instead of a blank fence or bare wall, build a simple lattice trellis using inexpensive wood strips, which can be assembled for well under $100 depending on the size. Mount it against the wall and plant a climbing vine like clematis, jasmine, or a climbing rose at its base. As the vine fills in over a season or two, the trellis becomes a living, textured backdrop that instantly softens any hard surface. This technique is a favorite in small French gardens, specifically because it adds vertical greenery without taking up any actual ground space, which matters a lot in tighter cottage-style yards. Project 8. A herb and edible border. Line a path or bed edge with a mix of culinary herbs like thyme, sage, chives, and parsley, which cost very little as starter plants, usually under $50 for a full border. This double as both a beautiful, textural planting and a genuinely useful kitchen garden, which is very true to the practical roots of French cottage style. Let the herbs grow slightly informal, rather than clipped into tight rows, since that relaxed edge is what makes the border feel gathered, rather than manicured. Over time, many of these herbs self-seed and spread, meaning the border actually gets fuller and more impressive each year, without any additional cost. Project 9. A painted garden bench. Finally, a simple wooden bench, whether bought second-hand or built from a basic kit, can become a stunning focal point for around $80 to $150. Paint it in a soft, muted color like sage green, dusty blue, or antique white, rather than leaving it raw or staining it dark, since pastel tones read as distinctly French countryside. Place it at the end of a path or tucked into a flower bed so it feels discovered rather than obviously positioned. Let climbing plants or tall flowers partially frame it on either side. A single well-placed bench like this does more for the romantic, curated feel of a garden than almost any other single item on this list.